EAS.
You got a cat in your bag?
Hey, we got an EAS. EAS.
Oh,
I'm listening.
For heat?
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, southern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, Mason County in western West Virginia, central Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Racine to 7 miles north of
It's a severe
Southwestern,
thunderstorm
moving
warning for
southeast
Mason
at 15
County.
miles per hour. Hazard, 60
West
miles per
Virginia.
hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar
Can you
indicated.
even hear it?
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Ripley, Oak Hill, Rio Grande, Ravenswood, Gallia, Vernon, Waterloo, Henderson,
Grammy, love
Leon, Cheshire, Adamsville, Stats Mills, Lakin, Given, Cottageville, Gallipolis Ferry, Fairplain, and Mount Alto. This includes Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 129 and 147. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mason County in western West Virginia, southern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Ripley to 6 miles south of Point Pleasant, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenna, Leon, Southside, Grimm's Landing, Fairplain, and Given. This includes Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 126 and 134.